How to find credit card scanning permission on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here and click settings, and now click permissions. And here we'll find permissions. Now scroll down. Scroll until you find credit card scanning, and that's it. You can turn it off or on, and I hope that can help you. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.